Hi guys, welcome to Torque Vlogs. This is Sarana Kumar with you. Today I'm going to share you important information about the insurance claims and how you're going to claim and how is the process going to happen. So suddenly you are met with an accident, you don't know what to do. First you need to call the police and they come and they do a inspection and they give a police report. There is a two type of police report. One is red and one is green. So it is faulty and non-faulty. So for example, if you have a faulty from your side, you should have a comprehensive insurance to cover your car. If you are a non-faulty, with you have a third party or comprehensive, doesn't matter. Your car covers under the insurance. So first, next step is you need to call the insurance company as soon as you get an accident. So or in within 24 hours, you need to call them and give a intimate that. So I met in an accident, so and so things happen. They will register the enquiry claim. Then you have an option whether if it is a used car, it's a brand new car, there is an agency repair and non-agency repair. If it is a new car, you have an agency repair, you can add it. You can do non-agency for the new car also. So agency repair means you can directly visit the service center and you can able to check what they can do. So first they will check what is the issues on the car, what does the accident happen on the car. So they make a quotation and give to the insurance company. So if it is a minor, you can you can drive the car. If it is a major, you need to drop the car to the showroom, which is non-driven cars. So you can drop the car in the showroom, and they will take care. Once the insurance claim everything done, they will your car you can take it back. What if your car has a minor accidents and you don't have agency repair? What you need to do is you need to call to the insurance company and you need to see what are the garages they have with them. So check the reviews, which garage in the network garages which is the best, which is fast. Best call the insurance company and know all this information before. So you can, based on the reviews, you can go to the particular XYZ garage for making your claim. So what they do is, if it is a minor, they take a pictures and get a quotation, submit to the insurance company. Once the claim is approved, they will give you a call to you, and you can go and drop the car, and they can fix it for you. This is the first step. And second step, so if it is a major, you need to drop the car, and directly they will take care. So if it is a faulty from your side, and you have a red police report, what you need to do is you will be paying a difference amount, which is called a document charges, or it is called minimum amount which you should pay for the insurance company. It is mentioned in your policy copy itself. They will be mentioning this is the option you need to pay from your side. If it is a fault, if you are a non-faulty person, you don't need to pay anything to the insurance company. Everything the insurance company will be doing the payment for you. So this is how the insurance process will work. So if you guys have any doubts regarding the insurance, you can comment below. I can clarify with you guys. So see you again with another video.